Hey there, my name is Josh, Van Guru here at Vandoit, and today we are here to talk about the Espar furnace. Having a heater in the van can be an absolute game changer that takes your van to being massively enjoyable. And the Espar furnace is one of those unicorn products where if you could wave a magic wand and get a heater that has max output with low energy draw, it's exactly that. And so today the goal of this video is we're going to talk about some of the product features as well as get into some of the questions to ask yourself to decide if this is right for you. So let's talk about some of the obvious questions to consider to decide if this is for you or not. The first thing to consider is time of year you will be traveling. The biggest misconception I maybe hear from clients is that those who are not traveling in snow weather don't believe they need a heater. However, if you're traveling in fall, spring, or really any weather under 60 degrees, then the Espar furnace is definitely something for you to consider. In addition to considering what time of year, I would also tell you to consider geography. Obviously, if you're going to be in colder climates, then the Espar furnace may be something for you to consider. Considering your camping or adventure experience is also extremely helpful. If you are a seasoned adventurer who is used to traveling out of a backpack or tent in the late fall, early spring, cold weather, then maybe just having a van with a thermal sleeping bag is all the upgrade you need. However, if you are a non-seasoned adventurer or if you're having non-seasoned adventurers join you in the van, then considering the Espar furnace may be something for you to do. At the time of filming this video, we are currently utilizing the Espar Airtronic B4. The furnace operates by sipping fuel off the tank to create heat and then has a DC powered fan, which is low energy draw, to kick that heat into the van. And this is it right here, the Espar furnace. It is controlled via a mounted thermostat on the headliner next to your rocker switches. The thermostat controls the Espar furnace via a couple different variables, including time, temperature, or a combination of the two. To run at a 10 to 20 degree variance, the Espar furnace will sip approximately 1/2 gallon of gas. You heard that right, not 1/2 tank, 1/2 gallon of gas to run for a full night at a 10 to 20 degree variance. Now I know what you're thinking. We're burning gas, so what about the fumes? I'm glad you asked. In addition to the high safety ratings, the Espar furnace has an exhaust that kicks the fumes out on the driver's side. In addition to this, we also mount a propane and carbon monoxide alarm within the van. So as long as you have power in the van, your carbon monoxide alarm will be working. Now that we've talked a little bit about the product features as well as some questions to consider, I'd like to recap for you. Remember, things to keep in mind are going to be time of year you're traveling, geography, as well as your experience with camping. So that's all I have for you here today. I leave you with one pro tip. For those who may come across snow in their travels, if you keep the Espar at its lowest setting, this should be warm enough so that you don't ever have to scrape ice or snow off the windshield. So you're welcome in advance, and we'll see you guys on the next video.